Let's go to page 256 and start with number 2. Okay, you got 2 to the 0 power. Okay, now for the non-zero base, when it's the exponent is 0, the answer is 1. Okay, number 4, you got 12 to the negative 2 power. So negative exponent, you use it to flip it over, so it becomes 1 over 12 squared, and then you evaluate would be 1 over 144. Okay, number 6, you have 2 to the negative 5 power. So you can use negative to flip it over, the negative exponent to flip it over, so it would be 1 over 2 to the 5 power. And then you evaluate, so 2 to the 5 power is 32, and so it becomes 1 over 32. Okay, number 8, you got 13 to the negative 2 power. So negative exponent, use it to flip it over, so it would be 1 over 13 squared. And so this becomes 1 over 169. Okay, number 10, you have negative 4 to the negative 3 power. Okay. So now the exponent is only for the 4, not for the negative. So this negative stays on the top, and because everything got flipped over, so it becomes negative 1, and this becomes 4 over 3. Again, negative exponent, you use it to flip it over to the bottom, and then after you evaluate, so this becomes negative 1 over 64. Okay. Okay, number 12, you have negative 13 to the negative 2 power. So now don't do anything with the negative. Okay, again, only the negative exponent is used to flip it over. So this will become negative 1 over 13 squared, and it becomes negative 1 over 169. Okay, number 14, you have negative 13 to the negative 2 power. See the difference between the two. Okay. So this one, the exponent is for the parentheses. So entire parentheses get flipped over to the bottom. Again, when you're doing the flipping, everything stays the same except the negative exponent is gone. Okay. Now you're going to evaluate. Now the square is for entire parentheses. So you have to square everything inside. So negative square is positive. 13 square is 169. So make sure you realize the difference between the two. Okay, you got negative 4 to the negative 3 power. So this one, I can use the negative exponent to flip things over. So it becomes negative 4 to the 3 power. And this will, now you're going to evaluate. So negative to the 3 power is negative. 4 to the 3 power is 64. And so that's it. Now again, if you don't like the negative on the bottom, you can put on the top. That's fine too. Okay, number 18, t to the 0. So again, non-zero base to the 0 power equal to 1. Okay. Okay, number 20, you have 17f to the 0 power. Again, non-zero base to the 0 exponent, the answer is equal to 1. Okay. Okay, number 22, you got 9z to the 0 power. So this power equal to 1. Okay, and again, the exponent 0 is only for the z, not for the 9. So this becomes 9 times 1, so it would be just 9. Okay. Y to the negative 7 power. So you can negative exponent, use it to flip it over, and that's it. Negative 5y to the negative 2 power. So exponent is only for the y, not for the negative 5. So negative 5 stay, and this get flipped to the bottom, and then that's it. Okay, number 28, you got negative 2a to the negative 5 power. So this whole thing, the whole parentheses get flipped to the bottom. Again, when you're doing the flipping, the negative exponent is gone, and everything else stay the same. So now you can apply. Okay, so negative to the 5 power is negative. 2 to the 5 power. Okay, so 2 to the 5 power is 32, and a to the 5 is a to the 5, and that's it. Okay. Okay, next one. Let's go to Okay, number 30, you have negative 5y to the negative 2 power. So you can use negative to flip things over. Then you evaluate. So negative square is positive, 5 square is 25, y square is y square, and then that's it. Okay, number 32, negative 2a to the negative 5 power. Okay, so again, exponent is only for the a, not for the negative 2. So negative 2, leave it alone, and this get flipped to the bottom, and that's it. Okay, number 34, you got 7 to the 0 power, y to the negative 4. 7 to the 0 power is 1, so this does not do anything, and so this one you'll flip to the bottom, and that's it. Okay. Okay, number 36, you have 1 over b to the negative 5. So now you have the negative exponent on the bottom, so you have to, again, negative exponent means you have to flip over to the other side. So this way you get flipped to the top, so it becomes b to the 5. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's do 38. Yeah, s over t to the negative 2 power. Okay, so let's go and apply the power rule first. So this becomes s to the negative 2 power, t to the negative 2 power. Then you do the flipping. So this one you get flipped to the bottom, and this one you get flipped to the top, and that's it. Okay. So again, so it's better to go and apply the power rule and apply the negative exponent rule. Okay, so you got t over 3 to the negative 4 power. So apply the power rule, so you get t to the negative 4, 3 to the negative 4. Okay, then you do the flipping. So this gets flipped to the bottom, this gets flipped to the top, and then you evaluate. 3 to the 4th power is 81. Okay. Okay, number 42, you have 1 over 6z to the negative 2 power. So negative exponent, you get flipped to the top. So this is equal to parentheses 6z square. And you evaluate. 6 squared is 36. Z to the 2 power is z square. And that's it. Okay. Okay, number 44, you have parentheses ab to the negative 4 power. So you can apply the power rule. So you got a to the negative 4, b to the negative 4. And you apply the negative exponent rule by flipping things over. So this gets flipped to the bottom, this gets flipped to the bottom, and that's it. Okay, number 46, you have r to the negative 5 power, s to the negative 3 power, and t. Okay. So this one, negative exponent, flip to the bottom. This one get flipped to the bottom, and this one stay, and that's it. Okay. Okay, number 48, you have x to the negative 3 power, y to the 0 power, z. Okay. So this get flipped to the bottom. This one, y to the 0 equal to 1, so don't do anything to it, and z stays, and that's it. Okay. Okay, number 50. You got m to the 3 over n to the negative 2. So this get flipped to the top, and so it become m3n squared, and that's it. Okay. Okay, number 52, you have a to the negative 5 over b. Okay, so you can do the flipping. So this get flipped to the bottom, and this one stay, and that's it. Okay, number 54, you have d to the 0 power, e to the 2 over f to the negative 3. So this one get flipped to the top, so this will equal to, now d to the 0 power is equal to 1, so this doesn't do anything. So you're just going to get e squared f to the 3 power. Okay, and that's it. Okay, 56, you have u to the 5, v to the negative 2, over w to the minus 3. Okay, so you do the flipping. So this one stay. This one get flipped to the bottom, so it'd be v to the 2. This can flip to the bottom, so v to the 2, and this get flipped to the top, so it'd be w to the 3. Okay. So again, this one flip to the bottom, so get v squared, and this one flip to the top, and so it becomes w to the 3. Okay. Okay, 58. You have negative 5, s to the negative 3, t to the negative 2, over u to the negative 5. Okay, so this one does not flip. Do not use the negative in the front to flip. Okay, so only the negative exponent get flipped over. So this one flip to the bottom. This one's flipped to the bottom. This get flipped to the top. Okay, and that's it. Okay, number 60. Okay, you have negative 4, x to the 3, y to the negative 4, over z to the negative 2. What am I doing? Okay, so, yeah, okay, let's go and get a fraction. Okay, so this one, this one stays. And this one stay, this one flip to the bottom, this one flip to the top, and that's it. Okay. Okay, 62. We got 1 over y to the 3. Okay, now this one, now from here, the instruction is a little bit different. So before, you want to get rid of all the negative exponents. Okay, so now, the instruction is you want to get rid of the denominator. You want to get rid of the fraction. Okay, so you have to flip this over to get rid of the fraction, and when you flip over, the exponent become opposite, so it becomes y to the negative 3. So again, these are different type of problem, different instructions. So you have to understand the instruction. You have to understand what the problem asks you to do. Okay, so again, you want to get rid of the fraction. You want to get rid of the denominator. That means you have to flip this over. And when you flip things over, the exponent become opposite. Okay, and so that's it. Okay, so you got a to the 3 over b squared c. Okay, so again, to get rid of the denominator, you have to flip this to the top, flip this to the top. Okay, so you're going to get a to the 3. So this one you flip to the top, become b to the negative 2. This one, when you flip to the top, becomes c to the minus 1. Okay, so it makes you understand the instruction. This one, you want to get rid of the denominator. This ones, you want to get rid of negative exponents.